Hey, hello guys, this is How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily add your Linktree account to your Reddit profile page. Now this is so that when people visit your Reddit profile, they automatically see the Linktree icon, which they can click and will be linked towards your Linktree eventually. Now here you have a load of links that you can choose. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that we want to do is we want to go into our mobile device or your desktop browser, and from there we want to open up the Reddit application. Now from out the Reddit application you see the home screen here, and we go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now inside your profile, what you want to do, you want to choose the first option, which is the profile. And from here you already see three social media icons, the TikTok, Twitter and Twitch icon. Now this is a social button that I'm meaning we're going to create one for Linktree as well. Now here you see add a social link in the fourth option. You press this and you see all the options appear for Reddit. Now here you choose the Linktree option right besides the OnlyFans option. Now simply press Linktree, and as you can see here, you can use your own username. Now let's say I do how to tag, and from there press save. Now as you can see, it creates a little icon for Linktree. When I press it, it will be directed straight to the Linktree website of my account. Now as you can see, I don't have an account, but it will be linked towards it straight away. Now, this is a very useful method of linking people towards your Linktree. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.